Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to refer and earn in the Navi app. First, open the Navi app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Refer and Earn section, usually found in the main menu or profile settings. This program allows you to share a unique link with others, enabling both parties to receive exciting rewards. It's a straightforward way to benefit from the app while helping your friends discover its features. Once you're in the Refer and Earn section, you'll see your unique referral link. You can easily copy this link to your clipboard or use the direct share options provided. These options typically include popular messaging apps like WhatsApp or social media platforms. Sharing is simple. Just select your preferred method and send it to your contacts, inviting them to join Navi. For your friend to earn, they must first download the Navi app using your unique referral link. After installation, they need to complete their first eligible transaction within the app. This often involves making a small investment, such as purchasing digital gold for as little as 10 rupees or applying for a loan. Once their transaction is successful, both of you become eligible for rewards. After your friend successfully completes their first transaction, your referral reward will be credited to your account. The specific reward amount can vary, sometimes reaching up to 1,500 rupees, depending on current promotions. You can track the status of your referrals and view your earned rewards directly within the Refer and Earn section of the Navi app. It's a great way to earn extra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.